A warm welcome to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. We continue our series of lessons on Twi Verbs. And today, what verbs are we looking at? We are looking at the following verbs. Bra, and that is what? To come. Ko, and that is what? To go. Bo, and that is what? To kick, hit, or crash. And then Butu, and that is what? To face down or to turn upside down. Let's take the first one. Bra. Bra. What does that mean? Bra means to come. To come. So how would you say come? Or how would you call a person? By beckoning him and saying come. In Twi you will say bra. Bra. And that is what? Come. Come. Well, sometimes, even though when you tell a person to come, definitely the person is going to come to you. But at times we add emphasis to it and we say, come here. Come here. How would you say that in Twi? In Twi you will say braha. 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 And that is what? Come here. What about if I'm speaking with you on phone? I am going to a place and I want to tell you, okay, come there. Come there. I'm going there. Come there. How would I say come there? I will say braho. Braho. And that is what? Come there. Braho. How would you say come and let's go? Come and let's go. You will say bra yenko. Bra yenko. Bra means what? Come. And then ma means what? Let. Let. So bra yenko. Come and let's go. Bra yenko. Good. So that is bra. And that is what? To come. Well, if you come to me, definitely at the end you will what? Go. How do we say go? In Twi we say ko. Ko. And that is what? Go. Ko. So if you are giving an imperative statement to someone and you want to tell the person, go. Go. In Twi you will say ko. Ko. And that is what? Go. Go. What about saying go there? In Twi you will say koho. Koho. And that is what? Go there. How would you say go and come? Go and come. In Twi we can say ko nabra. Ko nabra. Or we can say cobra. Cobra. Go and come. Good. Let's go to the third verb. The third verb is what? Bo. Bo. Bo could mean to kick, to crash, and then to hit. I wish I will not explain that one, because hating in any form is what? Violence. Well, let's proceed. Bo, as I've told you, could mean what? To kick. So how would you say kick the ball? In Twi you will say bo ball no. Bo ball no. And that is what? Kick the ball. I have a bottle here. And assuming this bottle is what? Crashed. In Twi I will say twano abo. Twano abo. Meaning the bottle has been what? Crashed. Twano abo. So when we say bo, bo could mean what? To kick or to crash. Well, at times too, it could also mean to hit. To hit. So how would you say hit him? we will say bono. Bono. Hate him. The no is what? Ono. That is he or she in the object position. Just like English. In English, when we have he or she in the object position, it becomes what? Him or her. The same thing happens to this twi pronoun, and that is ono, which stands for he or she. In the object position, it changes to what? No. So, when we say bono, that is what? Hate him. Bono. Hate him or hate her. Bo. And that is what? To hate. To hate. Good. Let's go to the fourth vocabulary. And that is what? Butu. 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 When we say butu, it means to face down. So assuming that this glass has just been washed and there's a little bit of water in it and you want it to drain out, you can say butu glass. Butu glass meaning turn it upside down or faces down. Butu glass. Most Twi speakers say glass, but you can say ahwehwe kruwa. Ahwehwe kruwa. That is what for glass. Ahwehwe kruwa. When we say kruwa, kruwa is what? Cup. And glass is what? Ahwehwe. Ahwehwe kruwa. So we can say butu ahwehwe kruwa. But you will not get most Ghanaians using this terminology. They will say glass. Butu glass. About 95% or 98% will say butu glass, meaning turn it down or face it down. Butu. Butu. So if you go to the hospital and the doctor wants you to lie prostrate, that is, to lie on your belly, facing downwards, he can say butu ho or butu mpanoso, meaning lie prostrate on the bed. Butu mpanoso, lie prostrate on the bed. So when we say butu, it means to face down. So in short, what have we learned? We have learned these verbs. Bra, and that is what? To come. Ko, and that is what? To go. Bo, and that means what? To kick, to crush, or to hit. And finally, we also have learned butu, and that is what? To face down. So this brings to the end of the lesson, but as I've told you, we have more verbs to cover. So check the next video for other forms of what? Verbs. But if you have not yet subscribed, then kindly subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.